Python is used across multiple industries. Python is not designed for just one job. It's used in these different fields as I mentioned here, from web development to artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, cybersecurity, cloud computing, automation, and even desktop applications. You see, that's why Python is great investment. It just gives you access to many different career paths. And as you can see, even if you have no idea about what most of this career path does mean, well, this is just simply one of or more of the tools that they simply use. Say you want to use Python for web development, you could use it with what we call a framework called Django, Flask, or even FastAPI. At the time of recording this video, these are the current frameworks available for these different career path, right? And however, you could find more than just all of this, right? But these are just simply one of the most popular frameworks used in this different career path, and we would be focusing not just on a specific one. This is a general Python course, so whichever track you want to digress into later, just know that you are watching the right video.